ABB Hackettstown, hardwired to the USA and ready to meet customer needs. Welcome to Hackettstown, New Jersey, home of ABB Elastomold and Jocelyn High Voltage, leading brands in underground and overhead electric power distribution. The 60-year-old facility has undergone a $15 million transformation, reaffirming its position as a hub for advanced technology. Continuous U.S. investments demonstrate ABB's commitment to supporting the reliable, resilient delivery of power to millions of homes and businesses. Our products are smart grid ready and used by utilities across the U.S. to form the connective tissue of the future electric grid. ABB Hackettstown has its own high-voltage substation, enabling rigorous in-house testing, including all preliminary IEEE testing. Assemblies are tested at various stages of production for unmatched quality control. 100% of production is X-ray tested, and each item is barcoded for traceability. Hackettstown produces Elastomold solid dielectric switchgear that is safe, reliable, and compatible with industry-leading automation controls. Elastomold reclosers, among the lightest in the industry, are designed to be field-ready. Jocelyn high-voltage capacitor switches, built in Hackettstown, are used in both distribution and substations. ABB Hackettstown, hardwired to the USA and ready to meet customer needs.